Dear students, the optional course Consumer Electronics offered from Department of ECE. What is consumer electronics? Electronic devices such as televisions, computers or smartphones bought for personal use. An appliances are an electronic equipment that is consumed by a consumer and that is used for a family purpose or an individual is called consumer electronics. Or other definitions are consumer electronics are electronic equipment designed for everyday use in private homes, that is called consumer electronics. So in this course we are going to learn what are the stuff behind the electronic equipments or the home appliances that is powered by electronics, how to handle them, effectively, and how to handle them safely. So we are going to learn the different types of home appliances, or how they are working, what are the stuff behind them, and how to use them in a day-to-day life. So our syllabus is framed as these are all the components that is being included in our syllabus. That is electronic fundamentals, entertainment electronics, home appliances, communication system, safety and liability issues. And the very first unit is designed to know about the fundamentals of electronics. That is, at the end of first unit, you will be learn about what are the basic terms and what are basic components that is being used in an every electronic equipment or electronic powered home appliance. That is diode, transistor, logic gates and microcontroller. So these are all some basic components that are used in every electronic powered home appliances. So we are going to learn basics of these, and in the next unit these are all the very popular consumer electronics that is called entertainment electronics. In our day-to-day life we are using always, yes, any time we are using the always we are playing and hearing music, watching TV. These are all called entertainment electronics. And next second unit we are going to study what are all the, for example, audio systems, display systems, video players, recording system. Okay, so these are all the electronic powered appliances used for entertainment purpose. So we are going to learn how these are working, what are the stuff behind this. So you will appreciate how this will working. So what are the concepts behind this, how to handle them, how to choose the right appliance for our home. So these are all the key points you will be learn at the end of second unit. And the third unit is designed for learn some of the home appliances. For example, lighting control, home with lighting control, washing machines, microwave, dishwasher, induction stoves, smart refrigerators, smart alarms, smart flow, smart locks, etc. So these are all the some smart home enabled that is smartness in home. So these are all the equipments will make your home smart. So how these things are working, how to achieve these things in our home, and how to what is the purpose, what is the importance of these in our home. Okay, these are all the components we are going to learn in the third unit. And fourth unit is framed to learn about the communication systems. Without communication systems we cannot live nowadays. Yes, so for example, starting from cordless telephone, fax, tablets, smartphone, smartwatches, video conferencing systems and GPS. These are all the communication purpose devices, and we are going to learn these devices, how these systems are working and what are the stuff behind this, and how to use this system effectively and efficiently, and how to use this system safely. Okay, so these are all the things we are going to learn in this unit. And the final and fifth unit is designed to learn the safety and liability issues. This is deal with a manufacturer should manufacture their devices or appliances with some safety standards. They have to follow the safety standards. So for the and also we should know the how to use the safe manner. So we also need how to handle the system safely. So for the purpose, we are going to introduce the safety measures, safety measures that should be followed during the usage of the system and maintenance of the system, okay, for that purpose. So in this unit we're going to learn standards related to electrical safety, so fire hazards and electromagnetic induction and EMC requirements, design techniques for ESD, RF interference, how to handle RF interference and how to avoid RF interference, line current harmonics, what is harmonics and how to avoid that, and main voltage surge and what happens if surge is happening. Okay, so how to ensure there is no fluctuation in power supply, and what is the standard that should be maintained in power supply. Okay, so these are all the components, and liability means the company should follow. Okay, that is their responsibility to follow the safety of that particular home appliance. So at the same time we also we should know how to check the whether they are following the safety measures while manufacturing the appliance, and how to buy safety equipment correctly, and how to choose the correct appliance that should with standards. Okay, for example with ISI on some standards. So these are all the things you will be know after studying unit number 5. So all 5 units are only theoretical manner. So you will be very interesting in learning the what are the stuff, what are the working behind the appliances, like home appliances, smart homes, basic electronic equipments, okay, like smartphone. So the syllabus is mainly framed to cover the entire consumer electronics products. Okay, so refer the syllabus and try to choose the subject, and you will be appreciate the subject. Thank you.